Good news that I brought for you guys today. How are you all? If you're here for the first time, my name is V. So I brought good news today. That is the good news there. Can you see that guy installing something? I don't know if you guys can guess what this is, but I'm very excited. So since I came to Zimbabwe, I've been struggling with network. I've been using that smart beast for $45, but hey. Mariacha nenge shingoswa only kumberi as if it's nothing, but chokwa chete kana uri kuno kuZimbabwe wese uchigara kumusha zvakoka usati wane income yakanyatsoti chikiti. It's a lump sum. To be honest, it's a lump sum. So nyaya isipapo chete. Nyaya was after spending that $45 for network iyoyo, and then network inenge ichisheka ichikosora. So for us content creators now, for YouTubers, for people like me who like updating you guys what's happening, I will need to be updating you guys every day. So I then took this bold decision. Before I go there, I did this video and realized it was on slow motion after I'd finished recording it. So I then decided, let me just explain to you guys what this is. So this is a Starlink. I'm very excited. I'm extremely excited. I am over excited. I am over the moon as I'm talking to you now. So there I was talking to my brother Mkoma Keda, and then I was asking him to tell you what he thinks. He saw my struggles as I was going kwamakoni every day to look for network, and sometimes even if you are there kwamakoni kwacho, network will still be very slow. So now I decided to invest in a Starlink so that I can be able to post my videos every day. This is what I've done, guys. Thank you so much for your support. If it wasn't for your support, guys, I couldn't have done this. So about this Starlink now, the kit that I took is called a mini kit. It's the smallest kit and the cheapest. I bought it for $250, and then I paid there in Avondale where their offices are, and then the following day they were supposed to come and install. They did not. So because it was weekend, they said the tools were logged in, and also my Starlink was logged in there. So they had to come on a Monday, which is yesterday. So they installed my Starlink. So I'm very excited. I was asking Mkoma Keda kuti vanofila sei, because he saw my struggles. Ndichienda kwamakoni ndichita sei. He was actually feeling pity for me. So that is the guy who is installing for me. They charged me $100 to come and install from Avondale. And then a subscription fee is $85 per month. So it was $250 plus 100 installation plus $85 a month. So I'm currently paying $85 every month. This is the Starlink that is being installed there. I'm happy, guys. I'm very excited. And I'm hoping that as time goes on, it can be able to help my community as well. And then business and get in there, connect people on internet and charge them a small fee. But in the battery because $85 pano. $85 is not a joke. It's not a joke. So ndaitongosekawo zvangu ndichitongota think out loud. Ndina Mkoma Keda ndichivati imi, do you know kuti Wi-Fi yandaishandisa South Africa inini it was 600 rand. Ndakasiya yakwira mai manje yakuita 620 rand pamwedzi yerain. Hautenge kit or anything, haubhadhare anything. Chako chete kungobhadhara that 620 rand per month. Asi kuno ku 85 pakaipa. Menhu rege timboona kuti tinowina here, timboona kuti tinokunda here. So guys, ndane Starlink pamba kumusha. So Ababa, I started interviewing that guy. His name is Kurakwashi. He did a good job. I was interviewing him, asking him how long does it take so that you can hear from the horse's mouth. Unfortunately, I had recorded this video on mute. On slow motion. So I failed to remove it there. So I had to, do a voice over like I said. There I was asking him questions so that he can tell us how long it lasts, the terms and conditions, and so on and so on. Apparently, there are no terms and conditions. But if there is any month that you cannot pay, you need to acknowledge them. Let them know in time so that they can mute your internet. So that they mute your internet for a couple of weeks and then you can resume. Because this is a pay-as-you-go. This is a pay-as-you-go. If you don't pay, you don't get internet. If you pay, that's when you get the internet. So, for those who will be asking the name of the company that I use, it's Shona Prince Technologies. They did not give me any discount. I'm just mentioning them all. But I've been posting their good work on Facebook. But share what kind of discount? But anyways, I just have to say, the customer service and everything was okay. So chimwe chinhu that I learned pa kiti yandakatora, and it can connect up to 50 devices. I can connect up to 50 devices at the same time with no network problems. So since they're connected, I've been using it. No problem at all. No problem. Network yangu iri kunyasoita. Hapana kana chikumbonetsa kana challenge kana chi. Iri kuita. Plus chandakaidira ndechekuti iri reliable. Hapana zvekuzomboti network yambodona. Chakati chambodai. So with this type of network now, munenge pa mhepo 24/7. I've tested kuti how far can I go ndakaconnecta phone yangu. So far ndodarika kana 500 meters I'll still be connected. And then on my phone I have an application whereby ndakaconnecta munhu, if I don't want them to be connected anymore, I can remove them. So those are some of the features that I found per application yangu. So that is all I have to share with you guys. Ndikuradzewo zviri kundifadza. I'm excited. I am very excited. So after installing it now, my neighbor came and said payakaiswa pamberi apa pasi right. Hanzi ngade yakangoendawo paside muchana. So I don't know what you guys think. Do you think payakaiswa apa story right? Apa toiti pakadhakwa. What do you guys think? Hanzi munangu nongoshereketa kangorowo nechimuto anything. Of which hatizvitarisire zvedu, but it's some of those things that can happen. Anyways, apa angaconnecta mukati. He started by installing it outside. Now he's installing it inside. By the way, that solar system that I bought, I've got bad news. That inverter now, iri kuremera battery, because my battery is 12 volts, and then the inverter is 3 kV. So I'll need another battery. Another 12. I wanted a 24 volts car one, but then my brother advised me to buy the same battery but a 12 volts. Hanzi anobatanidzwa here kuti anosanganiswa sei handizivi zvichofamba sei, and then you better 24 volts. Ayinizvo zvangu, to be honest, ndasingazvide, but ndozviripo. So yeah, this is what is happening. Oh, talking of the month, that reminds me, guys, this is my birthday month. On the 26th of September is my birthday. Hey, I'm very excited. I am very much excited. I am extremely excited. And never at the same time, it's my first birthday. Ndamukadzi mukuru wondri muZimbabwe, and you know, ndikufunga kuti ndonyatsoita sei chaizvo. Special thanks to my guru, my Mofela. She pledged a cake. She said she'll buy me a birthday cake. So yeah, guys, you know, since it's my first birthday as well, I would appreciate it more. Shiwuku, shima incubator, you know, shima toki, shima zai, shima day old chicks, you know, shima point of lay, you know, and things like that. Anything you guys know, couldn't share my interest. Those who want to send me my, you know, my fancy presents, thank you, but I would appreciate it more to get a shiwuku, my zai, my incubator, chicken feed, you know, my starter, my growers, you know, so that I can grow my dream. And this is my dream, guys. I'm living my dream now. Don't focus on now kunyanya near this poultry project that I've recently started. I hope you guys are encouraged. I hope you guys are encouraged to start as well. I hope I'm encouraging you guys because of my story. Through my story, I hope murukano encouragement. Let me try, or let us try. So let me leave you guys to watch this guy installing.